Good evening, everyone. This is my solar setup, 12 volts capacity. So I would like you to tour on my setup. This is my charge controller, which is 60 amp. So brand of this is Elejoy. So the release of this charge controller is 2025 this year. So it's capable of 60 amp, but I'm just using this for 12 volt setup. So we have here the input, the display, and the output. So input from the PV panel to our system. Then the output is from controller to battery, and we have here the display. So the display is an external module. So because tonight has no sunlight and no sun, so our display is off. So that's the advantage of Elejoy, because it is very efficient on our battery. It's not consumed on night time. And we have here our digital monitoring. We have the voltage, the total current consumption, and watts consuming right now. Then here we have the breakers for from PV to charge controller. We have 40 amp because our solar panel is just 7 amp. We have the 125 amp breaker from controller to battery. So we intended to use higher ampacity for our breaker. We have here the SPD for safety reasons. So our main load, we have 40 amp. So this main load controls our light, fans, and excess load. So we have light and fans, we are using 10 amp, and load, excess load, 32 amp. And here we have the inverter. So the fans and so the lights, we are using back converter, DC to DC back converter, to output a pure 12 volt supply. And so we have the fan here to cool down. So by the way, our fan is we are using timer switch from Taxnel. So we have two settings set right here, one in the morning, one in the evening. So in the morning we are supporting this controller to cool down, and in the evening we are targeting this back to back converter for the cool down. Right now it's hot. So here we have the switches for fans, lights, and lights. Yes, so our lights and fans are controlled by 12 volts, so we're not using 220 volts supply lights and fans right now. And here we have the automatic transfer switch. So our main line is power, emergency is Veco, so it will automatically switch once the main power is off. So we have the indicator, green for solar, red light for Veco. And here we have our charge controller, which is capable of 1 kilowatt, but not advised to maximize the max power in order to extend the life of our inverter. So the load right now is not so high. It's the loads used for the on this solar inverter are not that high. We are using only the TV, chargers, amplifiers, and soldering irons. So after the solar inverter, we are using the voltage protection, voltage and current protection, so to protect our solar inverter. Then the digital watt meter and breaker. So for our inverter, we are using 6 amp. We are using 6 amp, so we cannot maximize the power of our, or the capacity power of our solar inverter. So time right now is 10:09 p.m. So status of our charge controller of our battery is 13 volts. So our battery Right here is 32650, 180 amp hour. We have the BMS, 100 amp discharge and charging current, maximum 50 amp. We have the balancer. So the next video I will explain each parts or each module's purpose to in order to have this setup. Thank you.